Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will be telling you about how you can connect your any TV with your smartphone using cast feature. So friends, let's talk about this. So first you have to open your Wi-Fi and connect with the same internet. First connect with same Wi-Fi as your TV. Then friends, you have to open your settings. Now click on this search and tap on cast. Here it is. Tap on this cast. You can enable this view the list of available devices for casting. You can see cast mobile devices screen to nearby TVs and other external monitors. You can connect TV monitors, your tablet from this cast, and this phone screen will be showing on that. So you can enable by using this. Accept it, agree, allow it, and you can see it is searching for the device nearby. And then the second process is you have to open your TV. So friends, you can see you can connect your mobile phone and TV with the same Wi-Fi. If you have not, it will not connect. Then friends, you have to go to your TV and enable the cast feature, so it will directly pair, and turn on it with the same network, so it will show you the name nearby. Tap on it and it will be automatically connected, and your screen started showing on your TV or monitor. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.